Manny Pacquiao presents Glow by Glow. Welcome to the 50th anniversary of Thrilla in Manila. In coordination with International Boxing Association, Philippine Sports Commission, and Smart Araneta Coliseum. All professional boxing bouts are sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board. GAD Chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera. GAD Commissioners, Attorney Manuel Plaza III and Angel Bautista. And Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Rodil Manaog. Ringside physicians, Dr. Clark Fernandez and Dr. Noel Napa. As the bell rings, timekeepers, Kim Dangan, Romulo Santiago. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 125.1 pounds. He has a record of 11 wins, 2 losses, 9 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Los Teques, Venezuela. Ladies and gentlemen, Fernando Toro. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 125.1 pounds. He has a record of 24 wins, 4 losses, 21 wins coming by way of knockout. Corner 2 division and unified world champion from General Santos City, Philippines, Sandman Boxing and Lanao del Norte. Ladies and gentlemen, Marlon Tapales. Judges at ringside, Sammy Bernabe, Elmer Castillas, Elmo Coloma. Our third man in the ring, referee Noel Haduca. This will be 8 rounds of professional boxing.